Okay, starting with a brown pencil, I am going to trace the shape of my brows. I am going to try to create an arch and pull out the tail end of my eyebrow. So that's what you see me doing there. I'm going to do it on both eyes. I do not know why you guys want a brow tutorial because my brows are emotional. If I am angry, they look angry. If I'm sad, they look sad. But here you go. So now I am trying to fill those brows in to the best of my ability. Still using that pencil, but I'm not going to fill it in completely because as you can see, that brown looks a little red against my skin, so I'm going to darken it with something else. So right now I am just trying to get the basic shape in and filling it in just a little. So that's what you see me doing there. Now, like I said, guys, my brows are cousins. They're not even sisters. So don't feel bad if your brows don't match or they don't look good, because mine never do. And I always end up being cute somehow. So my next step here is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Studio. And it's in dark brown. It's the darkest brown. And I'm going to use a slanted brush. There you go. And I am going to basically create the shape of the hairs using this brow tattoo. Now, it claims you can leave it on your face for 2 days and it won't smudge, but I think that's a lie. It's never been on my face that long. I always wash it off. But it comes off way too easy if it's supposed to last for 2 days. So it's not an actual tattoo. So don't think that, okay? But as you can see here, I am basically flecking out my brush strokes to kind of create hairs. And I'm darkening it. And that's what you see. So that's one brow done, and I will move on to the next. Now, this stuff does dry pretty quick, but I love this stuff. It works wonders. So that's what you see me doing there. I've got the darkest brown, but it does come in a lighter brown and maybe even an ashier color for lighter skinned people. And that's what I'm doing. I'm using the slanted edge of the brush and basically creating my shape and filling it in. And I am double checking my work in the mirror. And yeah, I am coming in a little more in the middle so that it doesn't look too crooked. I'm also trying to clean up my wing a little bit, or the tail of my eyebrow a little bit, but as you can see from my face, it is what it is. You get what you get today. So moving on to the next step, I am going to grab my spoolie and basically brush those fake hairs up to kind of make it kind of look like real hairs. So that's what I'm doing there. And it kind of grabs the product and kind of makes it, you know, more hair-like. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm wiping off any excess with my finger there. And then I'm kind of thinning out the edges on the inner parts of my eyebrow so that it's not too bad. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer and basically outline the bottom edge of my eyebrow, basically just to kind of clean up that edge. And I'm going to do it with both brows. Now, my arch is a little janky on this eye right here in particular. So I'm going to try my best to clean that up to the best of my ability. I don't have the steadiest of hands, so yeah. But what I'm also going to do is bring the concealer down a little bit to basically, when I brush that down, it's going to kind of prep my eyelids for eyeshadow. So there's a twofer. So I'm going to go ahead and get a flat foundation brush, and I'm going to blend that out and basically kind of concentrate around the edges to make sure that the line is as crisp and clean as I can get it. So that's what you see me doing here. And then at this point, I messed up a little bit, so I'm going back to my brow tattoo, and I'm going to try to clean that wing up, or the tail end of my eyebrow up a little more. And it's basically practice makes perfect. You go over it again, and you go over it some more. Also, whenever I put my foundation on, I mess up my brows, so I have to go over it some more again. And then eventually I get it. So yeah, that's what you see here. Just basically fixing up anything that I might have messed up. That's why I really like practicing with my brows. I'll eventually get a shape that I really like, but yeah, my shapes are always different. But don't be alarmed on that. Your eyebrows and stuff don't have to be perfect. No one is fully symmetrical. And here I am going in my Warrior palette, and I'm basically setting that concealer to basically prep myself for the next step for my eyeshadow. But you will not be seeing that, because this is just a eyebrow tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.